Hello everyone, hope you're all having a great day. So let's get started. First, you'll need to create a Laravel project by typing in the terminal Laravel new and your project name, whatever you want. So for me, I just used Flutter with Laravel Pagination tutorial. So first, we need to create a migration. Let's just enter PHP artisan make model posts, and to add a migration together with the model, just enter dash m at the end. So if you look at our app and the side models folder, we already have posts, and for the migrations we have a create post table. Inside the post table we will need in id, um, the title, the content, and the image URL. To run the migrations, just enter PHP artisan migrate. And if you're running localhost XAMPP in your phpMyAdmin, you should be able to see your posts table generated here. Check out the structure. We have title, content, and image URL. The timestamps are auto-generated also inside here. So what matters most is the title, content, and the image URL. So to create a fake data or dummy data, you can create a factory. So make factory posts factory, and then you can see it inside the database factories directory. Inside this, inside the definition function, we enter the key value pairs inside the return array. So the title, this is just for demo purposes. So next is the content and the image URL. Oops, there. To run this, we just have to go inside Tinker. To run that, we just type php artisan tinker, and then we type posts factory count, specify how many rows you want, so let's say enter 50, and create. Now if we go back to our database, you'll see that we have all the generated data by Faker or factories here. Next is to create a controller. To do that, we just enter PHP artisan make controller PostsController. Instead of going through the project directory and looking for the newly created file, you can just press shift twice and search for it. Now we create a public function posts to get all the posts. Table, specify the posts table. Since we're going to be paginating this, use the paginate function and enter how many per page you want. So by default, if we don't enter anything, we have 15 by default. So I'll just set it by 5. To be able to access this, we have to enter it inside a route. So since we'll be connecting this to Flutter, we will be using the api.php routes. So just enter the route get, the route name, and since we're using Laravel 8, just enter the controller here, control, and then the function that we will be using, posts. So let's test this out in Postman. Oh, before that, make sure your project is served. So to do that, just run php artisan serve. So it is served in localhost port 8000. So HTTP. Oh, there, we already have it. Once we hit send, we have we get the paginated data returned to us. So we get 5 per page as specified. If we want to query other pages, just add a question mark after posts. Enter page, go to the next page, page 4. So you start at 16 up to 20. Page 8, 36 till 40. And if we go overboard, 200, we still get the paginated template JSON, but then the data is empty. So if you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section below. Hope you learned something from this. Thank you.